I'm very thankful ngayong Pasko for the gift of life kasi pang ano ko na to, 25th Christmas, and I'm very happy na I get to celebrate it with my most loved ones around me, my family, my friends, and I'm just happy to enjoy everything right now this Christmas. Pinaka-thankful ako ngayong Pasko is my late grandmother kasi um, ito yung first Christmas na hindi ko siya makakasama pero grabe yung paghihirap na ginawa niya for our family. And dahil doon, nakakapag-enjoy kami ng Christmas comfortably and as a whole. Kasi siya yung nag-instill sa amin ng family values na the family always comes first. So, thank you so much, Lola. Very special ang Paskong Pinoy kasi unang-una, we're a Catholic country and sineselebrate talaga natin yun hindi dahil sa pagkain, yung mga aginaldo, pangangaroling, kundi dahil birthday ni Jesus Christ. So, para sa akin yun yung pinaka-special.